communication to a good relationship is like oxygen to life. With all these past experiences of mine, I've understood one most important lesson of life, and that is words have life. Words have meaning. We all know that. But words have life. They have the power to create a person, and they have the power to destroy a person. Getting across a message to a person, maybe you're on a meeting, or on a one-to-one meeting, or on a group meeting, or you're speaking to thousands of people, getting across a message that everyone understand in the same pace is quite the difficult task. We must agree to it. There are times when we won't be able to convey the message the exact way we want it. And there are also times when we might have certain thoughts that we are not able to get across. And there are other times in life where we find that there are certain blocks in our communication, like fillers, many things, and many more other things as well. This is simply called as communication block. What is this communication block? Communication block is a factor in communication that acts as a hurdle between you and a proper communication. There are 11 kinds of communication blocks. If you are a proper student of communication, if you are learning them step by step, me as a confidence coach, specifically for ladies, and then I had many requests coming in from men as well. So I thought it's confidence, it's important for ladies, but also there are many men out there who really are looking forward to develop themselves, to grow, to make themselves better. And in developing confidence, communication plays the biggest role. And of these 11 blocks in communication, I'll tell you 3 of them. The first most important block is noise. There are 2 types of noises. We'll come to that. The first one is noise. And the next one, I'm just looking at it. The next one is called as a differing connotation. I repeat, a differing connotation. First one is noise, second one is differing connotation, and the third one is a lacking plan. And what are the others? How to handle them? What to do? What are the other blocks? How can we avoid them? How can we plan better? Join my Speak Like a Pro course or a 30 days challenge. You get a lifetime access to my closed community where I will be providing n number of live sessions every week and live videos for you, that learning becomes a continuous process. And for you, this is not only a course for women, but this is a course for men too. So men also can join, women can also join. Do you know people from their higher secondary school levels, or do you know people who are in the verge of finishing their college or who are entering into college? Or you are a professional, a trainer, or author. For all of you, this is the one. And coming back to noise, there are 2 types of noises. One is an external noise, one is internal. The external noise is nothing but when I'm making the video, if you are able to hear the birds chirping, the lorries honking, or suddenly if someone comes in between and talk. This is an external voice. Disturbance, you can control over it. You will have to just wait for the noise to control down, and then you'll make a video or you start speaking. But internal voice, it is nothing but a psychological aspect. How to handle it, how to plan a speech, how to get across your communication effectively, how to create an impact to all your listeners, and how to come across as a confident person. You just know what to do. Click on the link, join Speak Like a Pro course now. Thank you.